Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. And every week we dive deep into the past, present, and future of our world. From hidden histories to global game changers, you're watching World Explorer Mind WEM. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to join our community. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. To give you a detailed and helpful response, here are 20 foods from Mumbai that many locals and food enthusiasts would consider must-try, along with an explanation of what makes each dish special. This list includes the iconic street foods, Parsi specialties, seafood, and desserts that capture the city's unique culinary scene. Iconic street food Vada Pav, often called the Indian burger. Vada Pav is Mumbai's most beloved street food. It consists of a spicy potato fritter, vada, deep-fried in a gram flour batter, and served inside a soft, fresh dinner roll, pav. It is always accompanied by a variety of chutneys, including a fiery garlic and red chili chutney and a sweet tamarind chutney. Pav Bhaji. This is a thick, buttery vegetable mash, bhaji, cooked with a special blend of spices, and served with a soft, pan-toasted buttered roll, pav. The bhaji is typically a mix of potatoes, peas, cauliflower, and tomatoes. It's a rich, flavorful, and satisfying fast food. Bel puri, a light and tangy chaat made from puffed rice, crunchy chickpea flour noodles, sev, and deep-fried crackers, papdi. It's mixed with finely chopped onions, tomatoes, and a mix of sweet tamarind and spicy green chutneys. The result is a symphony of contrasting textures and flavors. Pani puri, a quintessential street food experience. Pani puri consists of a round, hollow puri filled with a mixture of tamarind chutney, spices, and chickpeas. It is then dunked in a spicy, tangy, and watery mixture, pani, and the whole thing is eaten in one delicious bite. Dahi puri, a sweeter and milder version of pani puri. The puris are filled with potatoes, chickpeas, and chutneys before being topped with generous dollops of yogurt, dahi, and a sprinkling of sev. Sev puri, a crunchy chaat consisting of flat puris topped with a flavorful mix of diced potatoes, onions, chutneys, and a mound of fine sev. The garlic chutney adds a spicy kick, while the tamarind chutney provides a sweet tongue. Frankie, Mumbai's version of a wrap. The frankie is made with a warm, roti-like flatbread. It is filled with a flavorful mix of ingredients such as spiced vegetables, potato tikki or paneer, and garnished with onions, chutneys, and chili vinegar. The first frankie was said to have a mutton filling. Ragda pattis. This is a chaat with shallow fried potato patties. Pattis, served with a savory, spicy white pea curry, ragda. It is topped with sweet tamarind and spicy green chutneys, along with chopped onions and sev. Kanda bhajia, a monsoon season favorite. Kanda bhajia are crispy, deep-fried onion fritters made from a batter of gram flour and spices. Mumbai's version is known for being extra crispy, thanks to the use of rice flour. They are best enjoyed hot with a cup of chai. Local and Parsi delicacies Bombay fry, a classic coastal dish featuring Bombay duckfish, Bombay. The fish is marinated in spices, coated in semolina, and then shallow fried until golden brown and crispy. It's a quintessential dish for seafood lovers. A curry on toast. This Parsi-style scrambled egg dish is a Mumbai breakfast staple. The eggs are creamy and mildly spiced with onions, ginger, and coriander, and are served on hot buttered toast. Bombay sandwich, a layered vegetarian sandwich that is a local legend. It typically features layers of butter, green chutney, and a variety of vegetables like sliced boiled potatoes, cucumbers, tomatoes, and onions. It is then grilled until crispy. Thalipeeth, a nutritious and multi-grain flatbread from Maharashtra. The flour mix, bajani, is made from roasted grains and legumes. The dough is patted into a flatbread and traditionally served with fresh cream, yogurt, or a peanut chutney. Prawns kaliwada, a popular dish from the Siam Kaliwada area. This is not a traditional koli dish, but was made famous by a Punjabi entrepreneur. It consists of crispy deep-fried prawns coated in a vibrant red spicy batter. Sweet treats and drinks. Ice gola, a refreshing shaved ice dessert served with various flavored syrups like rose, orange, and kalakata. It is often topped with malai cream, chocolate sauce, and dried fruits. Kulfi, a dense, creamy, and frozen dairy dessert that is richer and denser than regular ice cream. Popular flavors include malai, mango, pista, and almond. It is often sold on sticks or in earthen pots and topped with faluda. Faluda, a delicious layered dessert that traces its origins back to Persia. It features chilled milk, rose syrup, sweet basil seeds, and faluda noodles, and is topped with a scoop of ice cream or kulfi. Modak, a teardrop-shaped sweet dumpling with a filling of grated coconut and jaggery. While typically associated with the Ganesh Chaturthi festival, it can be found at sweet shops throughout the year. Jalebi, a popular Indian sweet made by deep-frying flour batter into pretzel-like shapes and soaking them in sugar syrup. They are best enjoyed hot and crispy. Masala chai. No food tour is complete without Mumbai's quintessential masala chai. This spiced tea is brewed with milk, sugar, and a blend of spices like ginger, cardamom, and cloves. It is the perfect accompaniment to all the city's street food snacks. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one. More stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.